From the heart of the Himalayas, in the beautiful town of Manali, a community of students, parents, teachers, and citizens gathered not in protest but in peaceful solidarity. We came together to reaffirm a belief that education must remain a pathway built on honesty, merit, integrity, and equal opportunity. Though separated by distance, we stand united in spirit with every student whose dreams depend upon a fair and transparent education system. This is our message of solidarity. Today we have gathered not for a political cause but for something that touches every student, every parent, every teacher, and every citizen of our country. The right to an honest, fair, and transparent education system. Education is the foundation upon which dreams are built for students. It is through education that children discover their talents, overcome challenges, and create a brighter future for themselves and for our nation. However, when the integrity of examinations is compromised through paper leaks, unfair practices, or corruption, it is not merely an examination that is affected, it is the fate of millions of hardworking students. We have assembled today to express our solidarity with Sonam Wangchuk, an education reformer whose work has inspired countless young minds and who has consistently advocated for integrity, accountability, and meaningful reforms in education. Paper leaks do not merely delay examinations, they delay careers. They increase the stress, they affect mental health, and erode confidence in the system. The biggest victims are not institutions. It's not this academy, it's not our schools. The biggest victims are our children. As educators, it is our duty to teach our students that success earned honestly is worth infinitely more than success achieved unfairly. Today, we stand together to say that merit must prevail over manipulation and integrity must prevail over corruption. What is our contribution to this? Many people were asking me, what can you do with this small get together? So, my answer would be a very simple one. Every meaningful change has always begun with just one voice. We are here to raise awareness about the importance of the integrity in our examinations. We are here to encourage our students to always choose hard work and honesty over shortcuts. Inspire responsible citizenship through meaningful participation. Demonstrate that communities across India care deeply about educational fairness. Show that although we cannot be physically present in Delhi on the 20th, our thoughts and support travel far beyond geographical boundaries. This gathering is not about opposition, it is about aspiration. It is about the future of every child who believes that hard work should always matter. Right now, if there is any parent that would like to add to this, for the reason that we are standing up for, I would like to welcome any of the parents or student who would like to speak for this.
I thank everyone here for coming together for this very important topic, important as an objective for us. Because as students, we study day and night, we work hard, and yet back at the center, papers get leaked. People who have spent months trying to prepare, years even, have lost their lives because someone at the center couldn't accept responsibility. While I stand here, I wish that India, as in the vision of our great freedom fighters, people who have served this nation for many years, people like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, so many people who have come together for the future of this great nation. I just wish that rather than letting such papers be leaked, that our merit does not fall in the hands of those wrongdoers. I just wish that our nation rises from beneath, from the time for example, let's say our our first Prime Minister, Pandit Nehru, and as many other Prime Ministers come, they had led many efforts to rebuild India. And we are seeing the fruit of that now. But those actions could not work today because these paper leaks have completely ruined the idea what education is. Education is not merely studying, but it is the way of life of us students to work ahead and rebuild this nation from the era of colonialism to now. So I just wish everyone here, from parents to students alike, not only to forget that education is not merely a small sense of studying, but rather an idea or an ideal that works for many years to come in the minds and ideals of many. Thank you.
Evening to everybody present at this moment. So the thing is, which I reckon that the paper leak which has happened recently is the failure of the government, of the Indian government which is present, the current government who is ruling our country. See, which party do you support? Somebody will say BJP, somebody will say Congress. What are their agendas? You know their agendas. Hindu Muslim? What else is there? Hindu Muslim, Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan. That's it. Why aren't we talking about how to improve our education system, how to improve the people's way of life, how they live? Can you see the condition of this road? Can you see the condition of Mall Road? Can you see the condition of Manali? Except being a famous hill station. So what is lacking in our government? Is it awareness? Yes, it is awareness. It is that we are not forcing them to impose some laws which are needed by us. There's something within us which everybody needs. What do you need? You need proper sanitation, you need good way of life, you need good education system. Right? That is it. That is what everybody, each one of you are present here. But the thing is, the government has failed to deliver all those things. So is it the government's fault? Yes. I expect a change or a slight change from each one of you who is present here, the front row, that you guys will make some changes in the future, or even I or even Bhavya will make any changes. Thank you so much.
I pledge to always value honesty over shortcuts, to respect hard work and fairness, to never support cheating or unfair means, to uphold dignity of education, to respect my teachers, my fellow students, and my nation, to use my knowledge for the betterment of society, to become a responsible citizen who believes in truth, integrity, and compassion. Together we pledge to protect the spirit of an honest education. Jai Hind.
And I just want to encourage all the kids as you are growing up, and as you said, like you are the changer of this nation. So make sure that whatever you're learning in school, here, wherever you're putting that into effort, okay, it's very, very important. Just want you to डरना मत अच्छा. And whatever initiative we are taking, काफी लोग कहता कि करके क्या फायदा होगा, क्या मिलेगा, what will I get, nothing, will I make a change? If you think that way, कुछ भी change नहीं होगा. At least you have to try. In the same way in the community, wherever you're staying, in the village, the city, wherever you stay, make sure that your voice is heard. बोलो, बोलना चाहिए. चुपचाप नहीं. डरना मत. डरोगे तो फिर तो ऐसे ही चलेगा. Never be afraid of what you are doing. So, kids, I want to just encourage you. Whatever is happening around the school, also sometimes you might be going out after 10th stand. You might be like अभी.
I'm not a parent.
Yeah.
And I'm not a kid, so मैं बीच में हूँ. And मैं हिंदी में बात करूँगी तो ज़्यादा लोग हमें समझ सकें. आप सबको मुझे पता है बहुत अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं आप सब, बट मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँगी ताकि सभी हमें समझ सकें. तो आप सब डे स्टार के बच्चे हो ज़्यादातर. आई थिंक सर भी डे स्टार में पढ़ाते थे. आई डोंट नो सर को मैं याद होती नहीं हूँ, बट मैं भी डे स्टार से पढ़ी हूँ एंड मुझे पढ़ना हमेशा से बहुत पसंद था. अब आप सोचो किसी दिन आप पढ़ रहे हो, आप कोई टेस्ट देते हो और आपको पता चल आपने बहुत मेहनत की और आपको पता चलता है कि उस टेस्ट में किसी ने मेहनत नहीं की और वो आपसे आगे निकल गया. आपको कैसा लगेगा? कैसा लगेगा आपको बताओ आप? आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना. तो कुछ ऐसा ही हो रहा है. और शायद आप भी चलो अभी आप सब छोटे हो, अभी आपका जो सर ने आपको प्लेज ऑफ जो आपको ऑनेस्टी के लिए आपको बोला ना, बोलने के लिए बोली शपथ टाइप हुआ है आपका, आप वही करो, वही बहुत है आपके ऊपर. बट लार्जर पर्सपेक्टिव में जो बड़े लोग हैं वो आपके पेरेंट्स ये भी नहीं चाहेंगे कि आप दुनिया के सबसे इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे बन जाओ. वो भी नहीं चाहेंगे. वो बस चाहेंगे आप ऑनेस्टली कुछ भी करो. हम जिस समाज में रहते हैं वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा खेलने के लिए भी नहीं बोला जाता है बच्चों को. सब क्या कहते हैं? पढ़ो 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 पढ़ो. क्यों बोलते हैं पेरेंट्स? क्यों बोलते हैं पढ़ो पढ़ो? क्योंकि हमें हमें लगता है कि अगर हमारे बच्चे पढ़ेंगे तो वो आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, हमें ये सिखाया गया है। और आपको भी आपके पेरेंट्स बोलते होंगे पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, है ना? क्या उस पढ़ाई का मतलब सिर्फ किताबें पढ़ना है और याद करके मार्क्स लाना है? उस पढ़ाई का क्या फ़ायदा अगर आप अच्छा नहीं कर पा रहे हो? आप बेस्ट, आप क्लास में फर्स्ट आते हो बट आप किसी चलते हुए किसी इंसान की अगर मदद नहीं कर सकते हो तो आप क्या एक अच्छे स्टूडेंट हो असल में, है ना? मैं भी आप ही के स्कूल से पढ़ी हूँ तो मुझे पता है कि आपको बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी, देखो उसमें क्या लिखा है, डिग्निटी, इक्वालिटी, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। क्या डिग्निटी का क्या मतलब होता है हिंदी में? जो खुद के लिए इज्जत होती है ना? क्या खुद के लिए इज्जत रहेगी अगर कोई और कम मेहनत करके गलत तरीके से हमसे आगे निकल जाए? क्या हम खुद की इज्जत कर पाएंगे उस समाज में? नहीं ना। इक्वालिटी क्या होता है? सबको एक फेयर मौका मिले, सब पढ़ के आए, सब एक ही एग्जाम लिखे, जिसने ज़्यादा मेहनत की उसे आगे बढ़ने का मौका मिले। और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, जो अभी आप लोग कर रहे हो यहाँ पे, आप सब चाहते तो यहाँ नहीं आ सकते थे पर आप आए तो आपने अपना काम कर लिया है। और जैसे कि बहुत सर ने भी कहा कि हमें लगता है कि यार हमारे करने से क्या हो जाएगा, है ना, मतलब हम क्या ही कर लेंगे। बात सही है। अभी मनाली के मॉडल टाउन के थोड़ा आगे BSNL ऑफिस के पीछे मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड के घर के नीचे इकट्ठा होकर हम क्या ही कर लेंगे। बट बात ये ना, अगर हम भी यहाँ नहीं आए तो कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा, समझ रहे हैं आप? अगर हम भी यहाँ नहीं आए तब तो सच में कुछ नहीं होगा। सो दैट्स इट। एंड प्लीज अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, आपको खेलना है आप अच्छे से खेलो, बट चीटिंग मत करना। बस कि आप कम नंबर लाएंगे, मैं बता रही हूँ, आपके पेरेंट्स आपको उतना गुस्सा नहीं होंगे, बट आप चीटिंग करके अच्छे नंबर ले भी आए तो ना आपको अच्छा लगेगा और आपके पेरेंट्स को भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। तो आप सब प्लीज बस अच्छे से स्कूल में मेहनत कीजिए, ट्राई टू बी अ गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग। जो 3 शब्द यहाँ लिखे हैं आप वो उसे निभाने की कोशिश कर लीजिए, तब भी आई थिंक सर भी खुश होंगे, हम सभी बहुत खुश होंगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Oh, the golden bird's feathers are falling, the feathers of trust and prosperity. As we live, Gandhiji had 3 monkeys. Let me tell you what they have become. Now, the blind one is the executioner. The deaf one is now the cabinet, who is deaf to hear the prayers of people. They have closed their ears so that they may not hear anything. And the one that could not speak is the media now. So they stay still and praise the government for their atrocities. What is there to praise about them? Religion? No. The system is paralyzed, and the change begins from the ground, and we must start the change. The change will be started by every person by not cheating and by learning in the fair means and in the right way, developing skills and opposing the government for the atrocities that they are doing. And we must support the ones that are standing for ourselves. I've heard in the comments of CJP leaders that Sonam Wangchuk is eating chicken soup and whatever. We want that man to live. It doesn't matter even if he's cheating for eating, because he's fighting for. Even if he's cheating to live. He's cheating to fight for ourselves. And of course, he's not cheating. You can see himself in many videos how he is, how his physical condition is. Thank you. This is my.
Thank you for your words. जैसा कि सबने कहा, आई थिंक बच्चों को सब समझ में आया है इस वक्त कि सिस्टम में सब सही नहीं चल रहा है, एंड सिस्टम में सब नहीं चलते हुए इस वक्त आप लोग का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि आप लोग आवाज़ उठाओ. I really appreciate my students who've taken that step forward to open your mouths against the system. Okay, we will hope for a change in syllabus. We will hope for a change in the system, the judicial system like you brought up, the legislations. But all this will change when you become our next leaders. People like many people mentioned, leaders, they need to have their qualifications, basic qualifications ready. Correct? So we will again continue to strive as an institution to be able to serve all of you, and I really am grateful to each parent for really coming to support. And at this time, I will open the floor for people to come and sign the letter if you agree with the letter.
This gathering was never about politics.
It was about protecting the hopes of every student who believes that hard work should matter. It was about reminding ourselves that honesty, accountability, and peaceful dialogue are the foundations of a strong democracy. We extend our sincere gratitude to every parent, student, teacher, and member of our community who joined us in this expression of solidarity. Together, from the mountains of Manali, we send a simple message. May education remain fair. May truth prevail. May every student have an equal chance to succeed. Thank you.